Em say asem a shas no some days ni me imagine say men report it was so because senya na asem no econo I saw say I didn't need to report on it, but baby asem ne could donate for I need to report on it. And I'm so try me say if you ask us nigga name is bell and say na mo person me cheche mu. As na better as no subscribe and click the notification bell and no and na that will screen so see here. We understand latest news be about wonsa ebeka. Na asem no and no and the saying Miss Bell ni if you ask us nigga asem no and the saying. I'll speak from my view what I saw first. Now if you ask us nigga ABA a new online radio station and an online TV station. What you say? Your friend no Shua TV and a Shua radio. A online internet just say so called online and so be to me a show more live. Who used to a frequency I won't check. I think if just nigga is working to get a frequency. Now the very first and one of the first videos I mean who yet from Efias Nigga Embra was sharing the online radio station, any TV station I say no. Na wo born yom ena na wo kasa etia Miss Bell. Wo kan se metia Miss Bell. Say Miss Bell e ye choba ona. Miss Bell ye say oni akokra bi na akoda ena che say akokra na ma ne sika. E ma che say akokra no ne yere kra hwehwe Miss Bell abono. Insem bebre. If you ask nigga my etia say akokra no e bia e be yo no ena che say woni Miss Bell awo. Na if you ask nigga be ka say Miss Bell see your bar, one bar bonte na che say ne mba no one form papa din metudwa because Miss Bell na gasa wo bisa no e wo interview bia say Miss Bell wo ba no sebe nipa wo ne wo ya na ye friend say ya na Miss Bell o twentwen so won be so wo be bodin no it if you ask nigga ba bonten be kan same way no and I'll say Miss Bell actually didn't reply but senya na nsem na ekono and mami ngege wa wo ni mami ngege wono so ni if you ask nigga it was serious beef. And I'm being gay babon to make us say, hey, if you ask us nigga, now if you ask us nigga, dear, womba sabi, womba mienu, now womo hono, womo di 18 years no, womba twins no. Sabi Ghana for ni momo papa. Won fa womo papa picture into online da. Won share womo papa picture da. Won share Ghana for say, oh, womba papa no, woni da. Now wo be faith ya be kasa Miss Bell ne bana with the 6 ni mum. Miss Bell lembra bonte me che ne papa. If ya, won so share womba ne papa. Iti mami ngege be kika sansem no if you ask think asanso babonte e be throw more shit at Miss Bell. Say Miss Bell banekra no he's a son of a bastard. Ni e ka so obi a bastard at say obi asebe wo ni papa ana obi a wo papa apo ati ase na say if you ask think then na Miss Bell dey ayo iti na go fusu so say if you ask think the new radio station and TV station na what no wo pe controversial contents bi na chese nkrofo di ehu eno ne nsema na nkrofo kan nti no ma me ngege efa asem we to ne boso e ma ne be interview Miss Bell etie for na interview ni mu no e na obon say yes Miss Bell kasaye na Miss Bell ka say wono no de bia wo hu na say wo hu say if you ask nigga a true shade because if you ask nigga this is not the first time I think 2 months ago Zion Felix ko interview Miss Bell I mean if you ask nigga be di Zion Felix attempt any Miss Bell attempt nia it's Miss Bell say dey bia wo hu say if you ask nigga a true shade but no Miss Bell no if you ask nigga na down for pain into na ya na if you ask nigga true shade ya no one person will be fee if you ask nigga but say see ade asem na afuno no na wo be ba bonten na wo be ka nsem ni na into Miss Bell see supi because if you ask nigga they are born Miss Bell so say oh Miss Bell say won me if you ask nigga me boy e ko die that say we ya shawo ni we ya brewa and I mean no bad about the case share if you ask nigga na wono jama wo yare ya na ure fi ho wa na wo kan e wo Zion Felix so say wu ni boy de wo ye ni say wu tiam bema ene wo da sa asem ne beda ebeda ne asem kese wo Ghana ha say na wo bia wo say wo yesa no e ba ne say e na wo boy into wu ni boy in the first place and I mean those also kasi so say me ne wo boy kra da na tre say me hu e ya wo boy fe because when I was here say me ya abrewo me ya abrewa na me ya abrewa no metumi ne wo boy ada wa o ye aketesia no metumi ne wo boy ada na tre say me de me hu twa still and na tre say me ye powerful to the extent say metumi tre wo boy say brother me ne wonda na me ne wada enti no na nsem ne ko and a baseball Peja nsem so wo didi if you ask nigga tem because if you ask nigga e ka tre Miss Bell say so wo share Miss Bell wo baby a Miss Bell enjane no be bono and a Miss Channel share me in crime by Jamestown the tete me Jamestown the pentokwa pa ba say mo na me pese me so afei die wo dia bra masa me bull rough just say to me say hey Miss Bell we never knew you to be this aggressive Miss Bell dey name say bibi ba na wo jaima ne ko na ya wa when the first Astenga ebe release screenshot na screenshot no be release you know the now person what trust you know I think for me me read the chat na because I didn't really understand but if you ask nigga e catch the followers they say so one more person one more say senior another person more say understand the nasia one more subscribe to or no if you ask nigga the YouTube channel no be a video at share in sem na say na eho e na tese if you ask nigga kwa say Miss Bell kra one wa wo made boy eko die na say any ye be chill ni say ena anopa we ya me no wo kasa Miss Bell so den sema ba bonten e betre say sa screenshot dey just as nigga dey buy no e fake ena Miss Bell AC so say if you as nigga say Miss Bell release if you as nigga ni suppose and alleged secret say if you as nigga wo say wo kokumase wo fa play dey kokumase because China phobia e ka say wo mo pese wo mo kraman ene woda na bo mo betia oska wo ko jiska no ema one China fo no wo de mo kraman no e die na Miss Bell kan na Miss Bell kan say wo efia Astenga de yenimo se bo bi twantro eto so a wo ba bontin e be friendsuo ebodua nti asema wo no Miss Bell kan say efia Astenga wo ne China ni bi kraman yakoda ama wa jiska no yesre se wo efia Astenga wo say yen tra drabontin na bebodua eno ne asema Miss Bell kan say efia Astenga yenimo wo bi ka say fa ho na wo say yen tra wo ba bontin bebodua nti asema wo no Miss Bell kan sisia no because asema ye wa downfall. She knows a lot of your secrets. It is also a try Brabonte na bebo jana na say duano enka wo if you as nigga na say ya dia wo if you as nigga why you go tie Miss Bell enum nsem etie for na before I bekwa ko tie Miss Bell enum nsem kra no let me just say this if you as nigga most of the attacks no on Miss Bell ne ba na if you as nigga first na what say Miss Bell woni akokra bi na wo second no trese Miss Bell ba no kra no woni papa and thirdly if you as nigga na say I was answer the Bible saying say Miss Bell ba no kra no ne papa Castro nti if you as nigga enko country Castro ne maame ne papa won ko kan ne kra ne tromo say woni no e na awo and no say if you as nigga de betu dwa nti Miss Bell reply on that first say indeed even if Castro ena ene no ewo ya Castro ye nipa wati ase nti nsema if you as nigga aka na say benyansa enim yenko ne ngotie
ya ba ya Jimmy fo de bia unton ade de bia obeka nkrofo asem meni aponche na awokra mepema ade me wuye na me wu ayu akra anka me bottom ade ebe ya me property leave my son and I alone me panu so ya sanka kra anka me ditapoli ubetum atri enti sila un beba faso. Thank you for telling the world that Castro is the father of my child. Now my son has a father. So leave me alone. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, just pay YouTube. They will promote your channel with good content. And then you have followers. Men come first screenshot to be and man me too one country for so be more YouTube they should follow. Like how cheap can you be? Kwasiaba unkwa na ultimate Jessica. Now only kramaenda. Unye ni babua bit to sell. Foolish girl. This is what I was avoiding. Now you're pushing me to say all this shit. So you ask her. Onu kwa no nim say na yebo dua kantam. Omebo dua kantam say dia me ke mi boa. So obi entu ya ne sika e mo mfa kraman endada. Na me nipa na edi me na wanyem na ma wo nipa. What's your what's your beef? That's what I do. Please, those of you are interested in following that YouTube channel, when you go ask, say, about the same na ya ba ya Chinese food ya oka na udi kramai eda. Udi omo kramai eda. You flew all the way to Kumasi to go and have sex with a dog. I am not lying. Onu na ya odi atwe nyama ni nyama ebo nkrofodua. Ombugudua. And now Sue said she never ever slept with a dog for money.
It's here for in time Casepan and Miss Bell walking you. Now, we dear will issue a disclaimer. We are just bringing a story to you. What Miss Bell and Numun send ya wakana pepe san ya report it. You know, it's here for Moncha Margin our comment box ni mo. Now, I just don't know. This, man. Asamo say enough for me no pa na first will be too quiet. Otumi ko janemba Emma we na Miss Bell if you ask nigga too quiet otumi ko janemba Emma Miss Bell say oh show mo so if Sadia ne sida na say you guys trusted yourself because sebe will be enko janemba Emma will be a sebe sebe previous wo ye kwahwe kwabia ati ase intino asem we dey mo dem nche ma dwen e comment box mo tie for me da ase